In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an org chart in Airtable. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the right template and add it to your workspace so you can visualize your team structure in minutes. Start by heading to airtable.com in your browser. Airtable is a flexible database that feels like a spreadsheet, and templates are the fastest way to get up and running. Once the homepage loads, look for templates and apps. This opens Airtable's gallery, a curated space where Airtable groups popular solutions for common workflows so you don't have to start from a blank base. Inside the gallery, you can browse by category. This is helpful if you're exploring related solutions like HR or operations and want to see what else is available alongside org charts. Browsing gives you context on how different templates are organized and can spark ideas about fields and views you might want to keep or remove later. Next, type org chart into the search bar. This narrows the gallery to templates designed for mapping reporting lines and team hierarchies. You're looking for a template that focuses on people, roles, departments, and manager relationships. The right result should make it clear that it visualizes who reports to whom and helps keep your directory consistent as teams grow. From the results, choose the org chart option you see there, then click on it to open its details page. Here, you'll usually find a short description, a preview of sample tables, and sometimes screenshots of the views included. Take a moment to confirm it matches what you need. Look for references to a people table, a manager or reports to field, and possibly departments or roles. This quick review helps ensure you're selecting a template that's structured for hierarchy rather than a generic directory. When you're ready, click. Try this template. Airtable will add a copy to your workspace so you can begin using it right away. If you're not signed in, you may be prompted to log in before it's added. Once it opens, you'll typically see example records that show how the reporting relationship works. Use that as a guide to understand how fields connect and how the organization view is generated. As you begin adapting it for your team, aim for clear, consistent titles and make sure each person has a single manager field filled out to keep the hierarchy clean. Small details like standardizing department names and role titles will make the chart easier to navigate and maintain. That's it. Go to Airtable, open templates and apps, browse by category, search for org chart, choose the result, click into it, and select. Try this template. You're ready to build a clear, shareable org chart.